Welcome to Cooking with Nanu. Today we're going to be making some beef samosas. For the ingredients we have ground beef, Eggroll wraps, cilantro, ginger and garlic, onions, green onions, and lemons. For the spices we have salt, black pepper, paprika, cumin, coriander, garam masala, beef masala. Now we're going to go ahead and brown the beef. We're going to place the beef in, the onions, the ginger and garlic, and let that cook. When that's cooked a little bit, we'll go ahead and add all the spices in. I like to give the spices a head start. That way, you get all those flavors into the beef. All right, now it's all nice and brown. We've browned the beef really well. We're gonna turn it off and let it cool. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the onions and the cilantro. I like to add the onions and the cilantro once it's cold. That way they don't overcook when you deep fry them. Look at those beautiful colors. Gonna go ahead and mix everything up. Remember, you want your ground beef nice and cold. You want it all. You don't want it hot because it will keep cooking. Once that's ready, then we'll be ready to wrap. Okay, let's start wrapping. And that was a quick recipe for making samosas. Enjoy.